Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, today I'm going to start cracking on doing some of the rust repairs on the T4. I've got some panels that came with it, but I need to cut them all back and stuff and see how much I need to cut back. But I'm going to start on the passenger side. I've already took the sliding door off because I went and picked another one up over the weekend because the sliding door, the bottom of it's rotten. So let's turn the camera around and I'll show you which bits I need to actually get on with. So yeah, as I said before, all of that section has already been done. The step seems to be okay until you get to the back down here. And as you can see, you've got a section I'm going to need to make up there because I haven't got that. But this panel I've actually got. So it's going to be cutting back this, seeing how bad it is inside and stuff. But it's not too pretty. But yeah, it's all the way around there. Bumper's got to come off. And yeah, let's see what that's like on there for start off with, shall we? Well, I'm busy struggling trying to get the bolts undone underneath the back under the bumper at the moment because they're, yeah, solid. And I got them soaking in penetration stuff, so I thought I'll just take the step cover off and stuff and see what we've got underneath there. It looks like someone's actually put a step in there. Not amazing welding, so I'll go over the welds and stuff. But there's no wonder that they rot because that's what's just come out of the channel, including a 6mm socket. Not a 10, a 6. So, yeah. Let me wait for the battery to charge up a bit more and the gun. And I'm going to see if I can rattle the bloody thing out with a half inch impact. So yeah, we'll just carry on for a bit and see how we get on. Well, I got the bumper off and stuff eventually, and not too bad. All the back panel, as you can see. Sorry about the torture, so we're still trying to sort stuff out. Ain't too bad, apart from one little bit I need to do just under there, which isn't the end of the world. But what we do find is a right mess there, so I'm gonna have to do some work there and stuff in there. I haven't looked at the other side, so let's have a look together. Yeah, that one's not too bad. A little bit to do, but nothing major there. So looks like I'll be doing some fabrication on that bit to make up that, because the panel that hasn't got that bit on it. I could have done with, really, in hindsight, complete full quarters on there, but life is life. Let me go for a bit of a more of a dig around and work out where I'm going to start cutting to. Yeah, it's not as bad as I thought under there. It's basically a load of failed seam sealing, still with a couple of, like someone else's weld or something. But I went digging and got a pile of mud out. There's your pile of mud. That's growing. It's a massive pile. It doesn't look it on the camera, but that's definitely got some weight saving going on there. But it's not too bad. Got a little bit. That's all, just all over that section there. That's all just failed. You can see where a bit had been welded in before. And the same there. But she's not too bad. And I found out I got some sort of stance suspension or something. So if anybody knows what that is, let me know. I'd be curious to know what that is and stuff. So I'm going to start stripping all these bits off and stuff. And I should be then able to work out exactly where I want to cut this lot out. Yeah. Wouldn't that look better if that was just like that already? But it's not. So yeah, I just worked out that I'm only going to cut below this line because the rust isn't there. So I'm going to cut that down there. I'm going to have to piece a bit into the bottom of there, which isn't the end of the world. And yeah, still going to have to do a bit just down there, but it's not the end of the world, so I'm just going to start marking up and stuff so I know a rough idea. That's nowhere near it yet. But we'll cut a bit off and yeah, show you once it's all marked up. Well, there you go guys. Top bit's now cut, so you can see now where I'm going to actually try and attach it to. I've roughly pinned it again with the screws, just so I can see where it is, because the screw holds it in and all you do is then flaming attach it back on afterwards. So I'll quickly mark that out and then we can get cutting. Well, there we go, guys. That's all cut in a notch, as you can see. All butts up. Oh, no. Yeah, they're all butts up quite nicely all the way around. So it's just a case of cleaning up the two bits and weld them in. And then we can work out what we're going to do with the inside, which I think is enough there just to clamp in afterwards. But I want to get the outside done first and go from there. Well, that's changed a little bit. Inner arch now is all back. I spent the last about 2 hours cutting bits out and making an arch. Yeah, I know I could have gone and bought the panel, but I'm refusing to pay 60 quid for a panel when I could just make it myself. So, as you can see, all now back in and stuff, all ground back and linished off, even though you're not going to see any of it, but it's done. All I got is a little bit more grind around the outside. I can get on with actually sticking the panel on. Well, there you go, guys. All there ready to go in. A few plug welds and stuff around the edge, so like hot drill holes, so I can plug weld and join it on. So yeah, I'm not going to bore you. I'm just going to get on and weld that, and I'll cut back in when I'm done. Well, there you go, guys. All tacked in place. So it's a bit warm, but it's going nowhere. So yeah, I'm just going to carry on cracking on, and I shall catch you guys a bit later on. Well, there's all the arch all done and stuff. Hundreds and hundreds of little foaming tiny spot welds all the way around, just trying to make it so I can minimise the warpage as much as possible. I'm going to get some, but I can minimise it as much as possible. Still got that little bit there to sort out, and the black bit at the back, which is neither here or there. That's the easy bits. So yeah, I'm going to crack on them bits, and I'll show you what it's like when those bits are done. Well, guys, as you can see by the state of my face, I've been non-stop for a while. So let's show you what I've been up to over there, shall we? Alright, there we have it. All lineage back, ready for a bit of fiberglass filler over it and stuff, just to seal all the weld area and stuff, and then a skim and finish. There's that bit. I still got to lineage it off a little bit more, but my wrist decided I want to give up. As you can see, that bit's done. Still got to drill a couple of holes and tack weld in there, spot weld in there, and I decided to do that bit like that. It's lipped underneath and stuff. Got to cut the hole in there back for the air vent and stuff, but well, as you can see, guys, that side's a hell of a lot more solid now and stuff. And but I'm going to give up for now. I'm absolutely hanging. My wrists are pretty much dead. I've been at it pretty much all day. Got down here, what, 8 o'clock? It's now 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm absolutely hanging. I'm not even stopped. So yeah, I'll finish that side off camera and stuff. I'll probably get the other side done similar, unless it's worse. Then I'll give you guys a show. And then yeah, onto the sill on the other side, because that's about as ripe as this side. So until the next one, guys, hope you enjoyed the content and stuff, and you're liking how the new channels go in and stuff. Hit that like, subscribe and share button, and I'll see you shortly.